going on, y'all? If y'all are struggling with studying for y'all's life insurance exam, or even if y'all are, thinking about getting y'all's license and y'all just not sure about, how do I study? Is the test going to be hard? I got a solution for you. Go to Miss Dees Bootcamp. It's actually D Jackson's Bootcamp. That's something that really, really helped me. I remember when I was studying for my life insurance exam, my uncle had came in my room one time, and what I do is I just have a bunch of notes, you know what I'm saying? Looking like I'm doing something, I have notes down. But afterwards, what would happen was my uncle would quiz me. So we would go on walks and he would quiz me on basically the material that I was supposed to, study for. And what we soon realized was that I didn't know what I was studying. I would basically just, write down a bunch of stuff, make it look like I was doing something, but, I wasn't really comprehending everything that I was learning. So, if you're like me and you're not really the best self-studier, then, I really, really recommend Miss Dees Bootcamp. She's really, really helped me. She's a really sweet lady. If y'all seen that video that I had with me passing my life insurance exam, she wants everybody to pass. She wants everybody to succeed on their exam. That's what she wanted from me, and that's what she wants for everybody. She really, really loves what she does. So it really, really touches my heart because she's literally like my grandmother almost. She's really like the way she cares, the way she cares about everybody, and the way she wants everybody to pass is really, really good. So make sure that y'all go to Miss Dees Bootcamp. I believe the website is djacksonbootcamp.com, or y'all can click the link above or below this video, wherever the link is. Anyways, y'all have a fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all soon.